Okay, to add shapes, you're going to go up to Insert, and then right here, Shapes. And they have a whole bunch of different shapes here for you. Just pick whichever one you want. And so I'm just going to go with, well, let's go with the fun one. Let's go with the arrows. And then you just click and drag to draw it. Now same here, wrap text still applies, so if you want to freely move it, you might have to change whatever the wrap text is to figure out how you want to move it. You can change the shape outline here, just like you do on the text box. Click on these, and these will change it to different things as well. One thing many people don't know about shapes is you can right click on them and then add text, so you can just type right in them. And then it changes it to a text box tool. You can even still add your shadow effects and your 3D effects, however you want to do that.